Hello everyone, I'm going to go through the new steps to pause updates indefinitely on Windows 11. So Microsoft is making changes on how updates are applied by adding a new option that lets users prevent the system from getting updates automatically for as long as a user wants. As part of the commitment to make Windows better, Microsoft is addressing one of the biggest pain points in the operating system by giving users more control over system updates. I already uploaded a video explaining all the details on the new changes for the Windows update mechanism, but now I'm just going to focus on the actual process that Microsoft is putting in place to pause updates. But before proceeding, it is important to note that updates are always important for security, stability, and features, but there is always times when you might want to prevent the system from downloading and installing updates automatically. Now, the process to pause update is pretty straightforward. First, I just need to go to the Settings app, and then from the Windows Update page. And as you can see here, we have the pause updates setting as before. However, now if you look at the right, we have a new pick a date button. When we click that, we're gonna get this calendar that allows me to pause updates on a set schedule. For example, I can just choose June 2nd, and that will pause updates for 35 days. Now, if I want to keep the computer from getting updates before the schedule expires, I have to create another schedule for another 35 days. And I can do this for as many times as I want. So basically, this is the closest that we're going to get to permanently disabling Windows Update on Windows 11. Now, if I forget to renew the schedule, Windows 11 will install updates automatically immediately after the schedule expires. So it is important to keep an eye and keep renewing the schedule before it expires. Now, once you know that any specific bug or a particular update is stable enough to be installed on the computer, you can always open the Windows Update settings and then just click the Resume Updates button to allow the computer to get updates. Now, it is important to note that Microsoft is also making a lot of other changes to the Windows Update system. And like I said before, check the link in the description that I had another video explaining all the changes coming to Windows Update. Now, if the reason for pausing updates is because the number of reboots throughout the month, the company is making changes, so updates for other products and system updates will be combined into one single restart, and that will happen every month when a new patch to the update releases to the stable channel. And that's pretty much how the new process to pause updates works on Windows 11. Now, another thing to point out is that it is unclear when the company is going to be pushing this new feature to Windows 11, but at the time of this recording, the new settings are available starting with Windows 11 build 26300.8289 through the experimental channel for version 25H2. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.